What this is I have the log of that set of parentheses minus a log of that set of parentheses. Well, the base is the same. They're both base 10. So using that second property of logarithms, this says I can put them together into one big problem. And it's going to be, the numerator is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 4. The denominator is going to be x squared plus 7x minus, or plus 6 all over x plus 2, and this guy can come down further. Now I'm not going to leave it that way and try to work it in-house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do something which oftentimes in mathematics is used, and it's called an aside. That means I'm going to take this entity that's here, the argument of that logarithm, and I'm going to bring it over here because it's a complex fraction, work it, simplify it, and then bring it back over to this side into right here. So I'm going to move this over to this side as an aside. So if I were to look at x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 4 divided by, this is an invert and multiply, complex fraction, x plus 2 over x squared plus 7x plus 6. That means what I need to do now is to factor and reduce. This is x plus 3, x minus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 6, x plus 1. Reduce out, x plus 2's are going to go. Well, that's about it. Would be nice if I could get rid of something else. But I don't have anything else up here. This is a 1. So this would be x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 6, x plus 1. This is an x plus 1, that's an x minus 1. That's not going to do it. That's all she wrote. So this is going to be equal to x plus 3 times x minus 1 times 1 divided by x minus 2 times the rest of this stuff, x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 6. And by the way, you don't multiply it out. You leave it as is. And you're going to say why? Because the next step in the process may mean that you're going to combine it with something and something is going to cancel. You just don't know. So it's kind of like I'm going to quit while I'm ahead, because if I try to do anything more, I'll probably make an error. And that's the best we can do. That's all she wrote.